What's up, guys? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot, and I'm back with another vid. Hey, I'm busting out the vids finally, huh? So I want to do a kit review on this little coffin, as I mentioned in the last video. So everybody's probably like, man, why are you opening that kit? You know, it's probably worth some money or whatever, but it's not about that with me. Hold on a minute, guys. I did just break the seal on it, so I figured, you know what, I'm gonna build it anyway, so that's why I did that. So I did just break the seal. I looked at the body, and the body's what I thought it would have been. So I barely looked at the kit, so you're seeing it just like I am pretty much, except for the body. So the box art, like everybody's seen this kit before, so almost. Opening doors. Motor I'm not gonna go with. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So tells a little bit about the car, different languages. So there you go, there you have the box art. The body, I cut all the braces out of this just so I can kind of show you guys, and you guys get an idea of what the body really looks like. But it's warped, but it's so thin that, you know, whatever you do with it, it's probably gonna just go back. You know, I think it should be fine. I'll be able to fix it most of the way, and then when I put it down, I think it's gonna be fine, as long as these fenders are even when I'm done. They're not now, so it's got a little twist to it, and that's what the deal was with the last kit I had. So this is the bag. Let me see if I can get in here. There's a little bit here. The bag of goodies here, which I don't know how much of this stuff I'm gonna use. I'll probably rebag it. So it's got a lot of little teeny parts in here. Make sure it's empty. There's one little small part in there. I don't know what it is, but we don't want to lose it. There we go. So I don't know what this is. It's something to the kit, so I don't even know what this stuff is. It's a radiator. I don't even know what that is. Oh, a door. It's a door. It's a door. Engine halves, which I don't plan on using this motor either. And the frame. It's kind of cool. Look at the tree here. Let me see if I can move this out of the way you guys can see better. A lot of this stuff I won't use. I don't even know if I'm gonna use a rear end or what, so. Pretty cool, front nose. I think that's the rear piece. Pretty neat. And you got a white tree, which I will build a skeleton. I think that's kind of cool. I think that's pretty nostalgic to have next to this thing. Don't think I'm gonna go with the wheels. I like the wheels, but I just don't know about that. Here's the interior and the top. The top will definitely be a different color, because I am not going to build it like it's supposed to be built. More interior, which is cool. I think I can do, I've got ideas with this. I'm thinking about texturing it, make it look like it's real material. There's the inside of the tub. I think there's a lot I can do with this car. Here's something I hate. Not this. Oh no, it isn't. I thought it was gonna be wheel halves, but yeah, this is kind of different. I haven't built this kit since I was a kid. I forgot all about it. You know, another kit I want to build is the Red Baron, the original Red Baron. And a buddy of mine, Marty, bought that. I think he bought it last night. I was like, yeah, I want that kit. But he's a big Tom Daniels guy, so. Let's see here. Chrome tree. How much of this will I use? I don't know. This chrome has aged. Let's just say that much. Whoop, some of it's fallen off right in front of my eyes. I don't even know how much of this kit I'm gonna use. I might barely use any of it, just because, you know, it's not the way I kind of build. I will use the glass, and the glass seems to look pretty good. Nothing I can't fix anyway. This might be a... I don't think so. There you go. For as old as this kit is, that glass is okay. You got a couple little straggly parts in there, and I do not think this kit had any decals with it. Here's instructions. Let me see. Instructions. Well, we don't use those anyway, so. All right, guys. So that's the little coffin show rod. So by Monogram. So I hope you guys enjoyed the kit review. I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do. I appreciate it. Hit that like, that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment if you enjoyed it or if you hated it. All right, take care. You guys all have a great week. Bye.